Hi, my name is Ayush, and in this video I will be talking about how to delete an element from a linked list. Let us look at the first case. Let us say I want to delete an element whose value is equal to 5. I start from the first node of the linked list, mark that as the current node C, compare the value with the value I am looking for. Clearly in this case current node's value is equal to 5. So I change the head pointer of the linked list to the adjacent node of the current node. This way I ensure that the new list which got created after deletion of the first node has a new head pointer. So programmatically what I did is head equal to C dot next. We do have to ensure that we return the newly created head pointer as well. Now let us take a look at the second case. Let's say I want to delete an element whose value is equal to 2. Again, I start from the head node, mark that as the current node. This time current node's value is not equal to 2. So I mark the current node as the previous node and the adjacent node as the current node. This time current node's value is equal to 2. So I know I have to get rid of that node. So what I do here is I make the previous node's next element as the current node's next element. This way I ensure that the node with value 2 is no more a part of the linked list. So programmatically what I did is P dot next equal to C dot next. Do note that the case 2 here takes care of the cases when I want to delete the last element of the linked list as well. So let's say I want to delete an element whose value is 7. So in that case, our current node will be this node, and the P dot next node, that is the next node of this node, the next element, will be null, because 7 was the last element of the linked list. And this criteria still satisfy this condition. We see that deletion of element in the linked list is an order n solution, and these two cases takes care of all the possible deletions in a singly connected linked list. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.